Somalia's economy. Facts and hopes for a better future. Somalia is located at the Horn of Africa with a total land area of 639,659 square kilometers. Somalia is a country privileged with rich agricultural land, abundant livestock, natural resources, whilst harboring Africa's second longest coastline. However, as a result of decades of conflict, the nation has been overwhelmed with renewed armed conflicts, lack of economic productivity, along with crippled policies. Despite the existing challenges, the productive sectors of Somalia have great potentials to contribute to the food security, economic growth, job opportunities, as well as building of livelihoods resilient not only for Somali citizens but also for the region. Somalia has three vital productive sectors that can strengthen and promote economic growth. 1. Fisheries. Somalia enjoys Africa's second longest coastline of approximately 3,330 kilometers. In 1994, the fishery production in Somalia was 30,000 tons. By 2018, it is estimated to grow up to 100,000 tons per year. The annual yield of fisheries in Somalia has a potential to reach 200,000 tons per year, with an estimated annual revenue of $200 million. 2. Agriculture. The two perennial rivers in Somalia, Juba and Shabeelle, originate at the Somali border with Ethiopia, and from there they flow through southern Somalia. Juba is 1,004 kilometers in length, whereas Shabeelle is 1,130 kilometers in length. Due to the abundance of water availability from these two rivers and fertile soils, there is great potential for agriculture production in south-central Somalia. Also, the annual rainfall in the agriculture production area is between 500 to 600 millimeters, which also is another advantage to the preservation of natural resources. Food production in Somalia has potential to exceed the amount required to feed the country. Studies suggest that 2/3 of the food produced in Somalia can easily be exported to other countries. 3. Livestock. Livestock contributes to over 40% of Somalia's gross domestic product, GDP. In 2014 alone, there have been 5 million livestock exported from Somalia, the highest number ever exported from Somalia in the last 20 years. Livestock has always been a stronghold in Somalia's economy, bringing forth an annual contribution of over $360 million. Somalia's three major sectors, fisheries, agriculture and livestock, do not only provide an abundance of wealth, but can also act as a catalyst to stabilize the country and its economy. Therefore, with proper management and policies in place, Somalia can once again become a booming center of commerce, dominating the regional trade markets.